Why practice realistic remote coding assessments?
Remote coding assessments are a common step in many tech hiring processes. Practicing under realistic conditions helps you manage time, reduce stress, and become familiar with the technology used. By simulating real assessments, you build confidence and improve your ability to solve problems effectively when it matters most.
Understand common assessment formats.
Most remote coding assessments involve timed challenges using platforms like HackerRank, Codility, or CoderPad. Tasks usually include algorithm problems, debugging code, or building small applications. Reviewing example questions and practicing on these platforms will help you get used to the format and technical requirements.
Set up a distraction-free practice environment.
To best simulate assessment conditions, find a quiet space, set a timer, and use only the allowed tools, typically an integrated code editor and online documentation. Avoid help from external sources or notes. Practicing this way prepares you to focus and perform well on the actual assessment day.
Use realistic practice resources.
Many websites offer practice tests that mimic real assessments, including LeetCode, HackerRank, and Exercism. Try full-length mock assessments under timed conditions. Join online code interview clubs or communities to exchange feedback and gain insights into common pitfalls and successful strategies.
Review and improve after each practice.
Analyze your performance after every session. Identify areas where you struggled or lost time and focus on improving those skills. Reviewing explanations and solutions to missed problems helps reinforce learning. Over time, this targeted practice leads to measurable progress and greater test readiness.